In this video, I will show you how to buy Solchicks on Radium. Bear in mind that at the time of recording this video, Solchicks has not been released yet into Radium, so I won't be able to place the order yet because it's not yet launched. However, the steps to buy it will be exactly the same once the Solchicks token has been launched into Radium. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sarah, and on this channel, I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. I also talk about personal development and so much more. If you're interested in any of this topic, then feel free to subscribe to my channel. So let's get right into this video for today. So there's going to be a few steps that you're going to need to follow in order to buy Solchicks. And I promise I'm going to try to make this as simple as possible. Just follow through every steps that I go through on this video. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is go to radium.io. okay, radium.io is the exchange that you'll be using to buy Solchicks from. Now once you get to that exchange, you want to click on launch app, which is right here on the top right. And as you can see on this page here, this is where you will be able to buy Solchicks. You need to connect Radium to a wallet that it supports. One of the wallets that Radium supports is called Phantom, and this is what I'm going to be showing you in this video tutorial. I'll be using Phantom and I'll show you how to connect it to the Radium exchange. So now what you want to do is go to Phantom. So go to Google and search for Phantom. Okay, so this is Phantom. Once you get to this page, just click on the add button. Okay, and then on the next page that it brings you to, click on add to Chrome. Add extension. Okay, it's getting downloaded. Okay, now once Phantom has been added to your browser, now you'll be able to create a Phantom wallet. And you can do that by just clicking on create new wallet. Now if you already have a Phantom wallet, then all you gotta do is log in by entering your secret recovering phrase, and you should be able to log into it right away. If you're creating a new wallet, this is going to be the secret recovering phrase that you're going to need. This phrase is very important. You cannot give it to anyone. I would recommend that you write this phrase down on a piece of paper that you'll be able to keep with you and not lose. And I'll click on OK. I saved it somewhere. And then now you need to create a password. And then once you do that, just click on agree and then save. Okay, and then continue. And then you're all set. You now have yourself a Phantom wallet. Click on finish. Now we can exit out of this page here. And let's go back to Radium. So now you can connect your Phantom wallet to the Radium exchange. So basically at the top right corner here where it says connect wallet, you want to click on that. And then it's going to give you a few options of wallets that you can connect to. The one that we're using is Phantom, obviously, so just click on Phantom. So click on Phantom, and then there will be a pop-up message on the right. You want to click on connect. Perfect. Now your Phantom wallet is connected to the Radium exchange, and now you are almost ready to buy Solchicks. The next step is to add funds into your Phantom wallet. There's a few ways that we can do this. So the token that we're going to be able to buy Solchicks with is Solana. There are a lot of exchanges available for you to buy Solana with. So what you need to do is go on these exchanges and buy Solana there, and then transfer your Solana to your Phantom wallet. Some of the exchanges that you can buy Solana from includes Binance, Crypto.com, FTX, OKX, Coinbase, and eToro. However, in this video tutorial, I'm going to be using the crypto.com exchange to buy Solana from and transfer that Solana to my Phantom wallet. Crypto.com is an app which you can download on the Play Store or the Apple Store. So just go on there and then look for crypto.com, and this is it right here. It's crypto.com, buy BTC, eat and ship. That's the correct app. Make sure it's exactly this one, and then that's their logo right there. So once you've installed the app, you want to open it. Okay, once you open the app, you want to create an account. It's very easy and simple to create an account. It takes about 5 minutes or less. Once you've created an account on crypto.com, then there's some verification process that you're going to need to go through, which can take a few hours up to like a day for it to get processed. Now, once you've done all of that, you want to log into your crypto.com account, and then we want to buy Solana. Before you can buy Solana on crypto.com, you need to have funds into your account. There are a few ways that you can add funds into your crypto.com wallet. You can add funds by e-transferring it from your bank account to your crypto.com wallet, or you can buy the cryptocurrency by using a credit card, or you can also transfer cryptocurrency from a different exchange to your crypto.com wallet. One of my favorite ways of adding funds into crypto.com is actually by e-transferring it from my bank into my crypto.com wallet, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So you want to go to account. This, you can find that at the bottom here, and then once you get to account, you want to click on fiat wallet. Once you get to fiat wallet, you want to click on transfer, and then you want to click on deposit. Okay, and then now you want to select the currency of which you're going to transfer to your crypto.com. In my case, it's going to be Canadian dollar. Once you've selected the currency, just click on it. This is the information that you're going to need to e-transfer the funds to. So the email that you'll be e-transferring the money to is etransfer@crypto.com. You want to copy that email and then go to your bank account and do e-transfer, and then input this email in the section where it asks you which email you want to e-transfer to. This will be the email right there, etransfer@crypto.com. Now, after you've put the email, there is an identification number that you're going to need to copy and paste into the message box when you're e-transferring money to someone. There's a small box which you can put any message that you want. It's optional. However, in this case, it's not optional. You need to put this identification number in that message box. This is how the crypto.com app is going to be able to identify who that money belongs to, and then they will know which account to deposit that money to. So this is your identification number. So go ahead and just copy that and paste it to the message box when you're e-transferring the money, okay? And then once you've done that, just send the money. Once you've e-transferred it, it should take up to 1 business day for the funds to reflect to your account. There are times it can take literally like an hour if you're doing it during business hours. But if you're not, then it can take up to 1 business day for the funds to reflect into your account. Once you've received your funds into your crypto.com wallet, now you're ready to buy Solana. Now, you want to go back to the home page, and then on the right side, you can see where it says see all. You want to click on that, and then on the search bar, we want to search for Solana. Okay, that's Solana. Click on it, and now click on buy Solana. Now, when you are buying Solana, crypto.com gives you 3 options of which you can buy Solana. The first one is you can buy it with a credit card. Second option, you can buy it with a crypto wallet, or you can buy it with a fiat wallet. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be buying it with a fiat wallet, okay? So I want to select fiat wallet. When you select it, it's going to be gray. That's how you know it's selected, okay? And then I'll just put how many Solana I want to buy. I actually already bought Solana earlier. this morning, and I was just going to show you guys how to transfer Solana from crypto.com to your Phantom wallet. Now, once you've bought Solana, you want to go back to account, all right, and then go to your crypto wallet. This is where your Solana will be at. You just need to look for it, okay? Once you found Solana, then click on it. And then now on this page, you want to click on transfer and then click withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, you want to select external wallet. Okay, on this page here, it's asking for the address of where you want to withdraw your Solana to. This address, you can find it on your Phantom wallet. Let's go to Phantom. So guys, you want to open up your Phantom wallet. So at the top right here, you're going to see the Phantom logo. It looks like a little ghost inside a blue circle. Okay, you want to click on that to open the Phantom wallet. Okay, so once you open up your Phantom wallet, you want to click on Manage Token List. Once you've clicked on that, on the search bar, you want to search for Solana. Okay, click on that. Okay, now you want to turn Solana on. On the right here, you'll see this bar here that you can click on to activate Solana. Once you've activated Solana, click on Close. And now you have Solana inside of your Phantom wallet. Now you want to click on Solana and then click on Deposit. Once you click on Deposit, you're going to get the address for your Solana wallet. So this is the address that you're going to need to copy and paste to crypto.com. All right, so go ahead and copy that address. Now, if you're doing this on your phone, then what I would do is I would copy this address. I would either email it to myself or save it somewhere, say, I don't know, Facebook or anywhere where you can retrieve it through your phone. So the easiest way for me is I emailed this address to myself. I have two different email addresses. So I would copy this address and then I would go and email this address to my other email. So I can go to that email through my phone and then just copy that address from my email through my phone. So once you've copied the wallet address, go back to crypto.com. Okay, now we're ready to paste that address. So click on Add Wallet Address. Okay, so on this page here, you want to paste your address. So go ahead and paste it. And then now you want to choose a name for it. It's going to help you to remember which wallet this is and which exchange is it connected to. So basically what I do is how I would name this. I would name it Sol, as in for Solana, and then Phantom. Okay, so once you've added the wallet address name, make sure that the network is Sol, and then click continue. Now the wallet address has been added to our crypto.com account. Now we're ready to withdraw, so click on withdraw, and then now you want to select the amount of Solana that you want to withdraw. Click on withdraw, and then on this next page you want to just confirm, and then you should be good to go. Now the Solana has been sent to your Phantom wallet address. Just give it like half an hour or so for it to reflect into your Phantom wallet. Okay, so now you're ready to buy some Solchicks. Again, just a reminder, Solchicks has not yet been released at the time of recording this video, so I won't be able to exactly buy Solchicks. However, I am showing you the exact steps that you're going to need to take to buy Solchicks once it has been released. If you're watching this video after Solchicks has already been released into Radium, then just follow these steps. So now we're going to swap our Solana to Solchicks. this is how you can do it. So on the area where it says from, you want to click on this bar here, and then on the search bar, search for Solana. And then on the to area, click on select a token. Now on the search bar, this is where we're going to be putting in the Solchicks token address. Now, since Solchicks has not yet been released on Radium, that address is not yet available. Once Solchicks launches their token on Radium, you'll be able to find that Solchicks address on two different places. You can find it through their website. So if you go to the Solchicks website, you'll be able to find that address. They will have it listed somewhere on their website. You just need to find that address. Now, if you can't find it on their website, you can also find it on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. So if you go to CoinMarketCap, you want to search for Solchicks. Let's just pretend that it was already launched, and then we would search for Solchicks, right? And then they should have their address somewhere around here at the top, but it's not yet listed. It's going to be listed on December 6th, 2021, which is in like a day from now. Okay, but the address is going to look something like this. So you would just copy that address, okay? This is just an example. And then once you've copied that address, you want to go back to Radium, and then you would paste that address on that search bar. Okay, once you paste the address, the Solchicks token should pop up and you should be able to click on it. Once you've clicked on it, now you can put in the amount of Solana that you want to swap for Solchicks. Okay, you would put that on the from area, and then on the to area, it's going to tell you how many Solchicks you'll be getting for that number of Solana. Okay, so once you've done that, make sure that the price impact, aka slippage amount, is correct, because sometimes if it's like too low, then it might not let you swap it. So make sure that you get the correct slippage percentage. Usually the website will tell you what is the slippage percentage that you are able to use to swap the token, and look for what the slippage percentage is. Okay, and you can change the slippage percentage by going to the settings right here, click on that, and then you can adjust the slippage to however amount that you want. Right now I don't know what the slippage is, so I won't be able to exactly tell you what it is. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to just click on swap, and then there you go. You should now have yourself some Solchicks. If you follow through this video step by step, you should have some Solchicks. If you want to see your Solchicks, you can do that by going to your Phantom wallet. So you would open your Phantom wallet at the top here. Okay, you click on that, open it, put in your password, and then you should see the Solchicks in your Phantom wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to let me know. And if you would like to learn more on how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.